Hello everyone. Today we will start new course. Basically, it is the design of buildings using ETABS software. So today we'll just have an introduction regarding the overview of the course content. So in this course, mainly we will be discussing. So I have divided this one into four parts. In the first part, we will be seeing how to do the preliminary design of building structure. Design meaning is how to choose the size of members, how to choose the size of beams, columns, and slab, etc. Okay, and then we will see how to model this in ETABS design software. Okay, and after that we will be discussing how to calculate the various loads to the buildings, such as the gravity loads like your self weight of the buildings and live load, and then we will also see how to calculate the wind load, and we'll see how to assign these loads in the ETABS software. Okay, in the part 3 we'll be discussing how to perform the analysis and design of the structures for gravity loads, and in the part 4 we will be seeing how to perform the analysis for wind load in the high rise structures. So basically there are two methods of analysis: static analysis and dynamic analysis for the wind load. So we will be discussing how to do the static and dynamic analysis based on IS 875 part 3 2015 revision. Okay, that is the latest code. We will be following this code in our course. So we will be using ETABS software for our course. So why ETABS? ETABS is a software which is mainly using for analysis and design of building structures. ETABS. Okay. There is another software you must be knowing, the SAP 2000. So that is also a software. Both these ETABS and SAP both are developed by CSI America. Okay, same company. Okay, so that is why if you see the interface of these two softwares, you will find a lot of similarities between these two software in the interface. But main difference is why we are using ETABS for our course, and SAP 2000, it is a general software which you can use for analysis of various structures, not only for buildings. Okay, but ETABS is a software which is uh, specifically for building structures. Okay, so if you know the ETABS, you can also learn SAP 2000. So both these are very powerful softwares and used by design. Lot of design industries are using these ETABS for building designs. Okay, you must be knowing there is another software which is known as StatPro. So ETAB and StatPro, if you compare these two softwares, and again why we are using ETAB instead of StatPro. So the main advantage of ETABS is it is very user friendly software compared to StatPro. Okay, it is very user friendly, it is very easy to use, especially for the building structures, because ETABS is specially designed for building structures. So it will be very user friendly. You can save a lot of time if you are performing the analysis and design in ETABS. But StatPro, it is you can compare with SAP 2000. It is a general software, not specifically for the building structure, but you can do the building design analysis in StatPro also. People are using that also. Okay, but ETAB will be very user friendly. It is very, especially for the lateral load analysis, ETAB is very good option. You can go for ETABS always if it is a building structure. Okay, when you see the interpretational result, then also you will find that ETAB is much better than StatPro in that aspect also. Okay, so we will be discussing the basics of the design in the next class. Okay, thank you.